interested to clean your beautiful Oriental rug? For two reasons. Or it smells bad, or you're having stain all over. Now you want to know if the stain will come off, if the odor will come off, if it's worth it for you to spend the money to clean the rug from this kind of problem. Let me tell you the best scenario that you can imagine. Take a pictures of the rug. Text it to the number on the screen. I will provide you all the information that you're looking honestly. I will let you know if the stain will come off. The odor, always for sure guarantee in writing odor removal. However, in some cases, the stain will never come off. In this case, you have to make a decision if the stain can be hid or not. PetPeePee, nationwide service for cleaning Oriental rug and provide you the honest answer for cleaning your beautiful rug. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. I clean your Oriental rug through. So I will remove all the cleaning product that you used, all the pee-pee crystal, everything's from deep inside the rug. And because I'd never use a scrubber or deodorized to mask the urine odor, your Oriental rug will come back to you sharp, clean, odor-free, total. This is my guarantee. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.